I think it's clear that Dutchess County does have two real components of a problem. First, there's a numbers problem. We know this. We have more inmates than there is capacity to house them. And whether it's the temporary housing units, which I'll mention in a moment, or housing out, all I can offer you, housing out is not an option. It is inhumane. It is indecent. It is inappropriate. It diminishes the ability of the individual to access public defense. It severs the inmate from their family and their community, and it creates a real difficult challenge to try to help an individual restore oneself when they're being transported to Rensselaer County or to Albany County, and they're treated nothing more than revenue for another community. That has got to end, which is why the temporary housing unit is an option. It is not the option. It is and solution. It is merely a temporary solution. We got the state of New York to give us temporary permission to make use of those housing units. At the very least, we'll get Dutchess County inmates back and hopefully speed up the system, speed up the process, and provide immediate assistance to inmates who need it. And if nothing else, ensure that those inmates have direct contact with their family and direct connection with public defense. I personally believe that those with mental health issues, those with developmental issues that end up in a jail setting, if only they had the right contact initially, we might be able to alter their lives. So let me repeat what Dutchess County is going to do. On the 25th of February at the Culinary Institute of America, I'll be delivering the State of the County address, and I'll speak in very specific detail about this initiative. But we will work under Steve Miccio's leadership in conjunction with the EAG and the others within the criminal justice system in Dutchess County. We will work to create an alternative, a restoration center, if you will, to enable law enforcement, first responders, and individuals to present themselves in a setting that is humane, that is decent, that is calm, that is providing the right assistance to ensure that for those we can keep out of the jail setting, we will. And the very first step, and it's a necessary one, will be a 12 to 18-month effort to train every law enforcement and first responder in the county as to how to deal with those presenting themselves with specific mental health, chemical dependency, or other special needs, in the hopes that they can make the right initial contact. Now, this proposal is in its infancy, but as you can tell, we are very excited about it.